So what I've decided to do today is come out here. It's supposed to rain. It's supposed to rain this afternoon. We got the front coming in. I'm hoping they'll bite. We'll see. I also got a toy right there. Finally installed my Mega 360. So trying to get used to that also. But we'll see what happens. Hopefully I can get some top water footage for you guys. And in the summertime, or when it's warm, I love fishing in the rain. Yeah, we could do that one. There's the yum. Don't think I like that one as much. Oh, we got a rage tail. Yeah. All right, let's try that, then we'll try the rage. There we go. I think I waited too long on him. That was a nice one. He's still on there. He's still on there. But what I don't want to do, that's a big something. It might not be a bass. Yeah, no, it's a bass. Yeah, it's a big bass too. Can you see it? There we go. Come on, baby. Oh, man. That hurt my back. Oh, I stretched too far. Oh, my back. Ah. Now, how's that? Oh, doggy. With the toad, baby. Mwah. Top water. That must be a baby. A little fatty. There he is. He's pretty decent too. I think I can bring him in. Yeah. Oh shoot. He got it in through the gill. Oh, stop it. Get my boat all messed up. Huh. He'll be fine. Oh, did you see that? I didn't see it. I didn't see it because I was looking back. Kind of feel. Yeah, he's decent. Oh, I think it's, yeah, it's a pike. He's a pike. Thank you. He let go. I don't even know if he's worth filming. Another little baby. Good 16 inches. Made one change. Put on a smaller swim bait. First cast. I don't know if it made any difference or not. And the baby, isn't it? We need some bigger ones. I saw him come up and get it. We won't film him. I didn't get a good hook set. There's another one. Oh, I wasn't going to film the first one. It was about the same size. Mwah. Little school in there. We'll catch some more. Oh, I saw that one too. That's pretty cool. Stay down. Save my bait. Oh, that's cool. Just saw a green flash just come up there. I wish you guys could see it. Oh, this damn. Stop it. Please don't fin me. Alright, so we'll try the old Chatterwagon. They're coming up and smashing that swim bait. Let's see what the Chatterwagon does. There we go. Oh my goodness. Yeah, I changed to a chatterbait just to get bites on a chatterbait and to get a bigger bite. See what I got? It's another baby.